Hi, I'm Marna. This is the Dolls Rescue Channel, and I am thrilled to be bringing you an idea that Darren and I came up with last year that I started working on and have just now finished. This is going to be available on eBay, and it is a 26 item Christmas countdown stocking stuffer that will be wrapped and numbered for you to open up one day at a time from the 1st of December through the 26th. There are some really cute items in here. I love these mixers. They're by My Life. They have, let me show you. I opened mine. They have the cutest little mixer. And it actually, let me pull this down, turns, isn't that cute? And lifts. No, it doesn't. I thought it did,
It
but
does.
Oh, it does.
Just don't break it.
Okay. And it has the mixing bowl. It has a recipe, 2 spatulas, and an oven mitt. And what's baking without a cute little rolling pin? Or look at these. These are so cute, Darren. 3D printed these. They are cookie cutters with a sugar cooking recipe that you can actually use. I'm sure you can actually use this one too. Your set could vary. We wanted to make it a surprise, kind of like blind bag when you open it. Can't see this very well. Let me open this and show you the earrings. Oh, I want to be so careful. They're very tiny. If your doll's ears are pierced, you will love these. I don't use backs for my doll earrings, but you could wear these yourself if you wanted to. They're going to come in a bigger bag, Ziploc, reusable. Everything packaged is packaged green. It could be reused, or you could store these items in the bags. These are adorable. These are actually a Christmas ornament. Actually, a few of these items are. You can take the strap off or leave it on. I gave you that option. What a cute thing for a smart doll to hold in a photo shoot, like at a carnival or something.
Birthday or a carnival?
Yeah, or circus. Yeah. And then I made each one a hat. You get one hat, but I like these. See the little lights at the top?
The hat difference will be different.
Though, yeah, right? And there are, where are they? There are different hats. Some have bells and they have different prints. You only get one in the set.
I really like that Christmas tree one.
Thank you. And the same is true of the little shopping bag. Now, this is bigger than just a regular tote bag. This is larger so that your doll can really put the items in there.
Ready for Black Friday.
Right, ready for Black Friday. And this is the other print, and you don't know which you're going to get, and you cannot choose. There's also a cute, cute little articulated teddy bear. I made 2 pairs of these stretch, oops.
Come on, snap.
Yeah. There's a snap in the back. What I wanted to show you is this is stretch pleather. These have not been washed. They're stretch pleather. I just love them. They look like leather pants. There is a black pair and a brown pair. There is a Christmas stocking you can fill for your doll. I was on the baking, I was going to say, and these cute, cute little wooden spoons and 2 cookies. Again, these were ornaments, so I left this on. You can cut it off. You can take the little top off if you want to. That's what I'm going to do, but I didn't want to do that in case you wanted to use it for a tree that you have set up. There are not just one set of the boxing gloves that Darren 3D printed out of, what is this called?
TPU. It's a flexible
TPU, flexible filament. These are from Danny Chu's site, so they will go right on your smart doll. You do remove the hand. You know, we were going to do one or the other, and I thought, well, you know, if you set up 2 dolls, they can actually be boxing. There's all kinds of fun things in this.
So is that what Boxing Day is all about?
I think that's boxing up your stuff.
Oh,
There's a headband and a cute little mug and hair clips, all kinds of things. Now, let's talk about the variants. Darren, you want to move over here? When I say there are variants, you know, there's a different print on the apron, different colors on the dogs, different color waist on the
Christmas.
skirts. You only get one. These are smart doll head holders. And anybody that collects smart dolls usually needs one of these. And they are all in different colors. I made mukluks. I made them tall and I made them short. You don't get to choose. You just see what comes in your package. And
my problem is I think they're both cute. Is it?
thank you. And then, like I said, different waistband on the Christmas skirt. And that's a different print on the regular skirt. And then here are some of the PJs. I was going to open one and show you these PJs. They're rather cute. These I did not make. The rest, I think I made all the rest. Nothing
Including
has
the
been,
boots.
including the mukluks, yes. Nothing has been pre-washed. Know that ahead of time. And what cute little PJs. Aren't those just adorable? And I think that is everything. Everything will come wrapped in Christmas paper. There will not be bows. We are very green at our house. Not only would the bows be crushed, but also they're just going to go in the trash. So these will be wrapped in Christmas paper and they will have a number taped to them. And you just open it up on the corresponding day. I hope you'll go to eBay and read the description because there are some things. There are choking hazards. What were some of the other things, Darren, that we were saying? That
Unwashed.
No, unwashed. And I am not responsible for the postman. These items will be ready to go when the auction ends. And as soon as the auction is over, the label will go on and off it'll go the next day in the mail. But what happens after that, I cannot control. But we will try to get you this lickety split so you can, if you want to put it on your YouTube channel and open it every day, you can do that. I will remind you again that we recycle, precycle, and reuse. So this is an example of a box that you could get with your items in it. This is how it will come. All these items have a number on them. And on the date, like if it's the 16th, you open 16th. If it's 4th, you open the 4th. And this is how it's all going to come packaged to your home. So this is the package. Everything is all wrapped within. You saw how they were numbered. This is how it's wrapped coming to the winner's house. Every corner is reinforced. This is taped like crazy. I want it to get there in one piece and I tape it so. So there you go. Please go bid. I hope you enjoy our advent calendar for the Smart Dolls. Please leave a like, a comment, and subscribe to this channel.